I'll be working on a 2015 Honda Civic. I'll be replacing the trunk latch. First thing I'm gonna do is pull on this. And then push the back seat down. I did that just in case if I close the trunk and it gets stuck, I could access the trunk from back here and try open it from under the trunk. This is a plastic screw. I use a Phillips screwdriver on it. When you put this back in, you want to just push it all the way in and then use the Phillips screwdriver to screw it back on. This other clip is different. You want to use a flat head screwdriver. Push that part out. These plastic clips, you want to reuse it. Okay, so I took this one out and this one out. And the clip here and there are missing. I could just start working on the latch, but I'm gonna take the entire liner out because I'm recording and I'll be blocking the view if I don't move it. There's a clip there, in a clip there holding the plastic. The clip is holding it from there and there. I need to move that, get that screw out and that screw out. To do that, I'm gonna use a deep socket. I got the two screw out. Actually, they are not screwed. These are bolt. You want to be careful not to break the green part. It's made of hard plastic, because if you break it, you'll be running into more problems. It's stuck on it real tight. I'm gonna try to move this part out first. I was able to get it out. I used the screwdriver to push it out. It's probably a better idea to disconnect the electric connector first and then move this wire second. Because you don't want the latch to be hanging on the electric connector wires. You don't want to damage the wire. Push right there. And then pull it out. This is the old one, the broken one, and here's the new one. Gonna put the bolt onto the socket. Put it through there and then thread it in partially, and then I'll do it the same way with this other one. And then now I'm gonna tighten it up. This plastic cover just push in. I'm gonna test it. I got the remote. Gonna push the trunk release button. One more time. Trunk liner's back on, and the latch installation is complete.